tale of the legitimes. How to remember the table of legitimes. If LCD, LPA, SS, ILC, or IP survives alone, they get 1/2 of the estate. The remainder is free portion. Now, si surviving spouse, merong one child, one legitimate child. The legitimate child always gets 1/2 of the estate. And si surviving spouse, fixed 1/4. And then the remaining will be free portion. If the surviving spouse, merong 2 or more children, legitimate children, fix again si LCD, 1/2. Kahit ilan pa sila, surviving spouse gets 1, equal to 1 share of the LCD. Now, sa scenario naman na may anak sa labas, if legitimate child survives with mga anak sa labas, LCD hindi magagalaw, fixed na 1/2. Each illegitimate children gets 1/2 of 1 LCD's share. If legitimate children and illegitimate children survives with a spouse, LCD gets 1/2 fixed. Each ILC gets 1/2 of 1 LCD share, and surviving spouse equal ulit siya sa 1 LCD share. Fixed yun ha, fixed. Basta 2 or more ang legitimate children. The surviving spouse gets 1 share of LCD. Considering na walang legitimate children, and then the legitimate parent survives together with the surviving spouse, tandaan, in default of the legitimate children, the legitimate parents takes that 1/2 of the estate, and the surviving spouse gets 1/4 taken from the free portion. If legitimate parents naman survives with the illegitimate child, again, LPA, 1/2 of the estate, ILC, 1/4. If you will see, parang sa mata ng legitimate parents, sa mata nila, same footing si surviving spouse and illegitimate children. Okay? What if silang lahat survives together? LPA, SS, ILC. Hindi magagalaw yung kay LPA na share, still 1/2. Kasi in default nga ng legitimate children, LPA survives, so 1/2. Now, the concept na blood is thicker than water, kahit labas pa anak sa labas, si surviving spouse gets lesser. So, 1/8 lang kay surviving spouse and 1/4 kay illegitimate children. Now, si spouse, wala siyang legitimate children, pero may anak sa labas yung asawa niya. Now, same footing lang sila. Take 1/3. But if the surviving spouse survives with the illegitimate parent, they each get 1/4. Same footing din sila.